Windows 11, update error 0x800f0841 is commonly caused by corrupted Windows Update components, damaged system files, or problems within the Windows Component Store, WinSxS. This error typically occurs when Windows is unable to process, verify, or install one or more update packages required to complete the installation. Here are the solutions for this error.
First, open the Start menu. Type Services. Open Services. Locate the Windows Update service. Right-click Windows Update and select Properties. In Startup Type, select Automatic. Open the Recovery tab. In Second Failure, select Restart the Services. Press Start or Restart if the service is enabled. Now run Windows Update. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type dism/online/cleanup/image/restore-health. Press Enter. Wait for your PC to be repaired. Once it finishes, type Exit and press Enter. Restart your PC. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Press Run. Select Yes to diagnose your issues. Wait for your PC to be scanned. Press Yes if the troubleshooter fixed your issues. Now close the troubleshooter. First, open a folder. Open your C drive. Open the Windows folder. Open the Software Distribution folder. The Download folder. Press Continue. This will delete the corrupted Windows Update files. Close the Windows and run Windows Update. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type sfc/scannow. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type exit and then press enter. First open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Windows Update. Press Run. Select if you can't install the update, or if the update is causing issues. I'll choose that I can't install it. Press Yes to scan your PC for errors. Wait for your PC to be scanned.